Michelle Lash from Dentsply Sirona. Today I want to review a hot topic with you, dental unit waterlines. Now, over the last several years, we've heard about dental unit waterline outbreaks in dental facilities, which have sadly impacted the health of many patients. When we talk about dental unit waterlines, instantly we think of air water syringe tips or high-speed handpieces. But oftentimes, ultrasonic scalers are overlooked as a dental unit waterline that also needs to be maintained. If your Cavitron ultrasonic scaling system is built in or integrated into your dental chair, you will follow the dental chair manufacturer's instructions for use manual on how to properly maintain all of your waterlines, including your Cavitron ultrasonic scaling system. Thanks for hanging out in the world of waterlines with me today. For more information on Cavitron ultrasonic scaling systems, contact your local Dentsply Sirona sales representative.